had the Queenex
Beauty Institute. Yeah, training, workings, and home service.
Massage no dia wan.
Patroning name.
Hey, mo ye happy ending.
That be happy ending. Who bet me a pedicure for 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Yes.
You'll get education. She will teach you how to do business. Oh, me buy me madam. Oh, you're good. Or try, you're fine. This wow say. Yeah. It's in back and yeah. Open. Yes.
Your madam you be or donipa nipa or your bata into your abadaye. Ubana say isika en sumpo. The way obe fani waka sanreano. Ukwa ukufia ube pro say ube ba unisika kra ube ba na. Before us we serious nkwa dia. Obe ma wakwenya na mama o mrea ube spread usika no. Na wetia. Na mum uye we ya ujimi dia discipline dia.
So we do free pipe down home now ba abanshu bia say we say e marry dey kama nti mema na sebe munyo obi miamia monomra odi amom ye ha dos.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi Xposed GH. That there any news na me dey me nam na jam e bonkomo. And let me try me say your person Queenex mama na one place ade bia me hu but me share down ko hoda. But na me ra hon me ho adwiri ye Queenex kama mba so mo a ye say afa ba akokra no no so dey ye be kirem. Na ansa na ye be kire ye kom na me ne adwumani ba kwa kasa obi oni adwumanu pa na me pese me hu adwuma o mo ye wa ha. I had the Queenex do free pipe down home now ba abanshu bia say we say e marry dey kama nti mema na sebe munyo obi miamia monomra wodi amom ye ha dos me say mbra no ma membra angel ajwa it say wo ho ya pa hey no I sweet side if you work okay na eden na me twam a mo frame me na say me meyi
oh pacho and pedicure class and a airport
oh okay
it's in my students maybe very fair or say
okay na Queenex ede be na ye wa ha ede
oh okay it's a beauty institute yeah training workings and home service
home service
oh yes we are just a call away
oh okay
yeah and we are specialized in makeup nails, hair installation, wig making, facials, pedicure, manicure, a whole lot.
Breaking it down. Now, the African idea, I say, so don't say, then the facial, pedicure, need
okay.
Break it down, mommy.
But you have facials, say, who you when him fin. They be oh, Srawu team fifre, unya time and fa any when him fin. Though baby are so any a fin, but facials no, Emma, we dead no.
Okay. So, my ba, and then Obesha and Sanatoine facials.
Oh,
my skin color and idea.
Oh, no, you don't need, we do all kinds of skin color. Yeah, facials is for everybody, both men and women.
Now, health benefits.
Oh yes, like I was say every month we have to do it because of the pomade that we use. So never name pimples, nail rashes,
I did back when me the palm mati wa hapa knob catch them and say or say no yeah massage.
Yeah, massage.
Massage no dia way.
Patroning navy.
Hey, mo yeah happy ending.
That be happy ending. Happy ending.
Okay, so massage, but your mommy types of massage that you have here.
Yeah, we have the full body massage.
Okay.
We have the leg massage.
Okay.
Head, like massage. Yes.
Now, also your home service.
Yeah.
Our massage, no. Inti ano kwa na say woni nkofa hene.
But nipa nem kwa na be ko ba we professional. We are professional. Professional.
Na papa bi afre no say Bryce Legon na nkwa akoi.
Ye kwa ye edwuma ne asaba.
Sa inti wo ye no say o Oh, yeah, my friend. Now,
Oh,
you
Daddy. We are just being professional. Okay. You are just our client.
Okay. Client and we.
Yes.
Okay, institute.
Yeah.
Much idea. And then I'm much.
Yeah. The maybe boss so first thing your training in it.
The qualification men are opinions and all.
Oh, obia to me, but say one go school that crana oba ya bejo.
Oh, okay. Now maybe
back any qualification.
If I say who can to my me there because I come up. Na me person me de me work for CB na me can't maybe back. And then I say me.
Oh, but you and one say over back now I be pick forms.
Okay, forms nine.
Yeah, forms near 100 cedis.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. See how many weeks they take? You find say maybe pedicure. And I said how many weeks and I 1 year and I said
pedicure. Who bet me a pedicure for 2 weeks?
2 weeks?
Yes.
And you me or meet me.
Wait, you're sure on Monday and they are done. Some are done.
That quick?
That quick.
But someone who more anything.
Oh, Daddy.
Because
affordable.
So, obiet me ba.
Obiet me ba.
Na me be ba ya say bi mukura fitamale.
Yeah. Even Guinea.
Guinea now international.
Yes.
No nipa ne ba samo ya ne den mo wo hostel.
Yeah, but you were hostel. And so we have hostel available.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Into Uber. Now be pick forms na. Nini na bi ewo forms. Yeah.
Ejuma we so ya ache.
Oh yeah.
How many years?
2023. Yeah. And yeah, the questions. Yeah.
Challenges men
Oh, challenges. Who's ya dia? Sikana anyway. Emu ye den. Addition emu de emu ye den. Ya ka say emu ye den ani eboa. Because you have to buy products and into a jiska. Yeah.
They be out of products.
Yeah, day in, day out, new things, buy never. And I also know you trade there ever for fun. Send a bay now who we now call out. Now you can say for you, we are brewing. You know, and I say, oh, yeah, me call Queenex cry and trade me.
Okay.
Yeah, so day in, day out, and the new things, ba. Into your band, Susana, you have to buy the product. Now, what's so good is
as a human, we also money ni pan daily.
Yeah.
What should be not very difficult.
Oh yeah, it's here. Be there. Yeah. Wait there. I think this week, no, last week. But within a week, ever for revamping.
Okay.
Revamping.
And what such as
yeah,
actually moonam them in Tiasi.
Okay, I try say once a my week yeah bit say shemi. Ya besha sa mu be fi.
And no now for that Obama channel no yakata.
Yeah. It will right your friend revamping.
Okay.
Yeah. Obey revamping. Ya styling so e dia man. Oba ya obeje ye no. Na order o te say enye na week.
And the one here we no the buy.
Or share wig in or the buy or say any wig because of our iron. Ya man I no doubt it. It's a or no one gets share and so into obi a moon no share and son no idea the say any wig ye can be our yes.
Hey, any Juma day. Now when you be a Juma, we are swimming pedman, you mean I no mammy.
And it's a bit high. It's and yet
and so ending. What she said, Neil, see,
we have been young, but and then Nakasani are training.
Any more about
I try.
Sir, now your father said, what's an answer, Mario about on page? This is BB slate. When is late, no, the anarchy.
Oh, way is far much better than
and then says slate, or could be in number, 3,
would this guy but way so even if you are old, you can still transfer the knowledge you have to another person.
Okay, so you are edging the youth. So I'm almost
yes. Way for your own good. Yeah, a better one, sir. And you be free on, sir.
Oh, okay.
So anytime I'll be who product and now you can still do it at any age.
Okay, let's come back to Queenex.
Okay.
Meaning say more future plans. Set me who said near my baby. I said, and every time I bounce na girls need dorsal, more dorsal.
Nyame.
Nyame, I had it, but me buy me who said mo ye juma, mo yard. And the future plans men are more More we are somewhere but to the man answer then.
Oh yeah, we are planning say a bit to expand and send a bear, you be my young girls, the dreams about reality. Yeah.
Okay. But young fan say Obiaba, who send or talent, but unisika. And then I'm one I'm waiting their one.
Oh, yet imagine in installments.
Oh really?
Yeah, the fees you can pay it in installments.
Yeah,
into wahana usiani na uti ane kakanga. Yeah, we need now to mean to any woman and don't stop you from achieving your dreams. Yeah, you collect installments. Bet me to ane kakanga.
How long does it take? Maximum. How long can someone be here?
Say,
how long?
For 4 months, 6 and a year.
4 months, 6 and a year.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
okay.
a bit in so abrosa depending on
Nippano. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. Come on, I had that, but some more girls be brave. We say be careful, Guinea. But some Guinea in no kasa. The lady beside me, she's from Guinea. An import. You are import foreigner. You are foreigner. You are foreigner.
No.
You are Ghanaian.
No.
You are foreigner from Guinea. Okay. Her name is Fina. Fina, welcome to Xposed GH.
Thank you.
I was told you are from Guinea.
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you end up here?
My brother showed me here.
Your brother is in Ghana?
Yes. He's
so,
not Ghanaian, but he stay here for long.
Is he married to a Ghanaian?
No. Since 2016.
He has been here?
Yes.
So now then he's a Ghanaian. So he showed you that there's a place called Queenex.
Queenex, yes.
Okay, so when did you start? From
That's
here, like
my
here?
7 months now.
7 months? So what are you studying? So far, what have you studied?
Makeup.
You can do makeup. Okay.
Nails. Pedicure.
Okay.
Facial.
Okay.
Lash.
Okay. And massage.
No.
You don't want to do the massage?
I don't want problem.
Which problem is inside? You want to do massage, you say that there's problem. Okay.
We don't do massage.
They do it. He said they do body massage, all that.
My madam did it, but me, I didn't.
Okay, so you don't want to do it. Is it religious something? Is it from your religion? Are you a Christian?
No, I'm Muslim.
So you don't want to go and near somebody.
No.
Okay, I understand. So far you've been here. How do you see the place?
Queenex. The place is good.
In terms of what?
In terms of one, when you came here, you get education.
Okay.
Part of the work. You understand?
I understand. I'm trying to understand you. You say you get education. It's good.
You get education.
Yeah.
She will teach you how to do business.
Okay. Oh, she teach how to do business too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she have time.
Okay.
For a student, for teach them.
Oh, okay. Okay. More amount in Pacho or you Ghana new of Guinea. And what about Queenex? There's a Queenex now international. So let me ask you, how long do you plan staying in Ghana? Are you at a hostel?
Oh no.
I stay with your brother. So how long do you plan staying in Ghana?
After
like the job, how long is it now? You said 7 months. So how many months more for you to go?
No, I'll finish maybe this ending of this week.
This week? Then you are master. So when you go to Guinea, will you also name it Queenex?
I'll write Fina Queenex.
You write Queenex. Wow.
Queenex.
Oh, okay. It shows that you are very happy here. You are very happy. It shows you are very happy.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you are going to finish next week.
This week.
This week. When you finish, will you work a bit before going?
No, I will go. When I finish, I will prepare for go.
Your husband is there.
No, let's leave about husband.
Oh,
Let's talk about Queenex.
But I thought maybe you tell me no, I want Ghanaian man to marry.
I don't know what God planned.
All right. All right, Fina, nice talking to you.
Thank you.
We are still at Queenex. Still Queenex. Samo. Sister be a mehun ya say friend no. Na me ntia se no be say. O say friend Abiba, so Abiba for so there. Abiba. Na ho oh yeah. Bako there. Me do ho bia no. But you money din ya friend no na na say dey dey friend no. No be there.
Me patrona ase ma ye di nkomo. Me ko fa ata nkomo ba.
E dey tell me ase na wo di nkomo bebe. Eno eye dey be sa bobo ya na sare.
Come for Rebecca.
And okay, Matthias. Hi Queenex. So far, how many months now by her?
Actually, me buy about 4 months.
4 months. Okay. Into so far, na dia na unimia.
I just see ano. Me nails.
Okay.
Me wig makeup.
Okay.
Me pedicure. Actually, so far na dia.
Na ka dia na be massage no.
Pachaka wig making. Any me make lash.
I don't want to massage anka. Massage me here me power na mo nyama. Usro.
Like my fan can make cost.
Adentina uchusu Queenex. Institutions be what na chusu a.
E pa cho meti area say ba send me me twem am hu say enkofo ha say me ni je say me ba kwa na say scan hu edra me choose say like e kama kuma say membra.
Is it because of the environment na adentina buy?
Valme say na ha no mo me ba me that girls no mo wa say ni hens.
Na so far buy no send na who Queenex.
Oh, me buy me madam. Oh, you good.
Oh, okay.
Or try they fine. Yes, sir. What was say? Unsia. Obi a wa bunsia. Or try they. Ni na ni abutre. Or try they. Oh, you good.
Okay. Se si ano obi frɛ se be pedicure, manicure, papa cure ni na be ye.
Me pa chon me ye.
Sister cure ni na ni me. And then you can oh, sorry. Anyway, me ne knob na kasa so knob ne dia want na se. By friend Abiba, ya beto aso. I na dem me bo Queenex me do Dorcas. Na Dorcas here the man be hu o. Yes sexy gogomi. E bi say doggy. Eh, urade me crash me. Madam, the friend say.
But I prefer Dorcas.
Na doggy na fi.
Oh yeah,
doggy no.
That me say me didn't say Dorcas.
Ana doggy ni ya de.
Oh no, ana o ma me ni o boy.
Eza ka adwuma no. Na me te say yesu fi ha, ever na bi.
Me pa jom fi no.
For precisely for. Cause me te kasa ne pa. Eho.
Aba is Viaga.
Eho kasa ne me nse. Me te west there no. That so far. So by how many months there?
Pacho me 5th month.
Hey. Into year the end.
Pacho me pedicure, me makeup, me hairstyling, me wig making and nails.
Okay. Wow. Into so far no hana senate here.
Oh, yeah. Uti mi ba kwa pan de eye. Ne open no, uba ubenya. Yes.
Oh, okay. Into we are so be build here.
Pacho.
Oh, okay. Na pacho hostel na ati na ati.
Pacho mi to hostel.
O ti hostel. Na hostel ho kama.
Pacho
So o bie pie de.
Pacho da.
E se man bi wa de mo ba hostel am o enye ade na mo hwa susua. And one say girls na mo ya boys.
Oh.
Someone tisa.
Oh, Pacho tisa.
Me hwe wani ma tisa di na ehu. Doggy di ehu. Me ne dog kasa no. Still me wo Queenex e wo free pipe down na me ne lady bia me ano me nan ntia ne me nim se ne me feel e wi ameka so aya de ameka enya de ameka muna etisai
Atwa yo.
Me bo muna because me nim no bibi aboko de
Na me adon.
me hu se wo ye ne kama adan na so ba Queenex so ba de wa
Oh, me besua me nsan no adwuma.
okay na say institutions be bro adan aba
Oh, me choose her because me na wa ha nti no. Minim no more ana me hu na edwuma. Wa ye edwuma ma me pen. We twi me ni ma me pen.
Oh, okay.
Ana wa man ne past student na yusu me pen nti no minim nsa no edwuma.
Okay, so based on niama wa hu ye nti na wo ba ha.
Yeah.
Enye recommendation wa na wo hu ye.
Yeah.
Okay. Na wo ba ye no adesua mu ne the way approach ne the way on mo kasa no sign net ye.
Oh. Ya madam yo bi a odonipa. Ana odwen nipa ho yo ba tan nti owo abadaye. Ana owa yem hihie nso ma ne ma.
Okay.
Say uba na say usika ensumpo a the way obefa ne wa kasa no kra no. Ukra ukofia wo ho be pre wo say wo beba wo nisika kra wo beba na so far as we serious nko adia obema wakwanya na wama o mre a wo be spread usika no na wetua nti no ya madam de oyo ba time pa
nti wani je kama
ya manage na mom wo ye we a ujimi de discipline de
wa de be ma so be je discipline de we mi ya bo twede na ye de
oh wan ba o twede o na mom ye late de na nya o ne o mot
hey madam
I see yeah penifo enti no o tumi mboya
and dey be say metna because dey be so be late timot dey akamenya no pa na your friend say so far minim say ba bia wuti wa hu young girls be bro nam ho a say be omo nya adwuma ebi mo ko school e dey foto na so betim dey amom
oh the foto kakra me dey be ma young girls me say no me hu say usua wonsa no adwuma is far better than say uye adwuma amodu ensa no adwuma de obi antumi engine free unsem say me say my imagine say me wie na me nya me place a I start your home service kakra ko si say me nya baby a me ankasa metumi ebie me de enti ensa no adwuma de usua a eye pa enti no me hye obi bia nkran se nka be ya ompe ensa no adwuma bi no nya de na onsia
na home service na ya musuro.
Oh, not really.
Onim nipa no afrel.
So it be dependent. Me say me starting no. I'll deal with the people I know. I'll deal with the people I know for the meantime. And sana.
What's me?
Yeah, me move forward.
Okay. Mona. I hire Queenex. I send a common see no. Ya boss wa kama. Na ade ba kwa me hu ye ne se obia se madam ne ye na me commentators some say na madam ne wan ya sam madam so achina ya be ye ne de special na mahu madam na obia ka ne ho asem se oye ba malt pe na oje ye se malt ne de oboa oye de obeje enti ochina de me be ye madam interview a me create ba ko na e ba do me nte malt waje bebre wo ho me ba na me ne na e ba beche enti ochina ya beto as na munna mehu madam of Queenex. I expose GHFM members. Subscribe, share, me to my now on
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.